Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features Halifax influencer Holly's housewife life. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Hello, Ginger. This is the Ginger baby doll top. I absolutely love everything about this. First off, the baby doll is so classic, so feminine, so comfortable. It has an elastic waist with a little bit of flow. It has a teeny bit of a high-low to it, so it's a bit shorter in the front and it's a bit longer in the back, and then it has a puff sleeve and it has this gorgeous square neckline. The pattern, I can't say enough. I don't even know the word. It's so fabulous because the colors are punchy and poppy, but they're going to take you from honestly year round, but they're really going to take you through summer and into fall. I've paired them with the Mariska trouser, and these are so comfortable. They're a little bit of a straight leg, which I love. It's just perfect for my height as well. And then it has a flat front here, no zipper, no button, nothing. Very comfortable with an elastic waist in the back. And talk about that color. New brand. This is Jade by Jane, this top. It's a little bit of like a popcorn. I called it the popcorn fabric because if I were knitting a popcorn stitch, this is what it would look like. A puff sleeve, which is gorgeous, a square neck, which is fabulous, and it comes in black, which I love with these teal pants, but also comes in a beautiful blue. It's not quite cropped. I tucked it in because I thought it was really nice with these pants. They have a nice flat front and they have a little pocket back. So I did tuck it in, but if you pulled it out, it's definitely not cropped, but it is hits me right here. It's not long waisted. So you could wear this with a skirt, would be lovely, with pants, with denim. Come check it out. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Tunics are your best investment piece. This is the Soya Concept black little lace sleeve tunic, and this can take me all year round with so many different looks. You can wear this to a summer wedding. You can wear this on New Year's. You can pair it with leggings. You can pair it with tights or pantyhose, whatever you want, or bare legs like we got going today because it's summer and it's hot. It has little slits on the side, so it gives you the comfort level, but the length is really nice. So it goes a little bit longer. You get a little bit of movement so you can dance the night away. Beautiful lace trim around the arms. The belt, leave it on, take it off, put on a different belt, switch it up. The earrings. You can't go wrong if this is in your closet. I was going to change my dress and my open-toed shoes, but then I just pulled this on because I love it so much. You're going to see so many vests this season. They are all the rage. It's got the comfort of a cardigan, but a little more flexibility, a little more air. You can pair it with short sleeve, long sleeve. So I was going to change my dress, but then I kind of like the look of the really short sleeve with the detail of the lace with the vest. I said I'm just going on in that because these are so versatile. It's nice and it's a really nice length. Like it's nice and long, so it covers everything. Down below, it's in this beautiful berry color. It's a little punch, but it's a very like soft and cozy punch of color. This is the Emma dress. Maybe a missed opportunity with the name Barbie, but do not miss your opportunity to come in and try this dress. This is so perfect from every little detail. It's a beautiful color, first of all. You can't ignore that's at the top of my list is the color is fabulous. But these sleeves, it's a bit of a dolman sleeve, so you have some space, very comfortable, long sleeve. You can do a cuff. You can roll it down. You can even do a little push with these to get that volume moved up. And then let's talk about how the skirt falls. So there's a tie around the waist. This is a belt that you can remove. You can put on your own belt, but this is the belt that it comes with. And it has a nice high waist. So then the skirt just goes on forever. It makes those legs look so long. I'm only 5'3", and these look longer than 5'3". Come in and try this one.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.